Alright guys, gonna run this Craftsman 5-drawer toolbox for Nicholas. 10 spots, $12 a spot. Copy our list. Live at 5:46 p.m. There's a list. 2 dice, must be a 5 or higher. And we've got a 5 on the nose at 546.50, 546.56, and 546.58. Good luck, 5 times. After 4, we have Coleman on top, Aaron on the bottom. Dice is a 5. Now 547. This is the one that counts. Good luck and congrats, Chris. In spot 3. Don't know what your last name is, but congratulations. 5 times, 547. 5 times, 547. We are done. PM Nicholas with your info. He will get that delivered to your front door. Congrats.